Chidura in the district of Anantnag. Today we are at the railway station of Anantnag, and it's a very special moment of Eid, as today is the second Eid, and we are having a lot of fun. And I'm going to my maternal home on the train. And train, it's the fastest way to go from one place to another place. So we are going to our maternal home, and Eid is a very special moment, we can say, and a day of enjoyment. It's a day, a special gift from Allah Subhanahu wa Taala, and Eid for children, we can say. And this is all about it.